Welcome to another product introduction from Balluff. Today, it's the latest addition to Balluff's safety networking portfolio, the CIP Safety I module. This new networking block in vibrant red safely connects sensors and actuators to industrial controllers, even in harsh environments. Short for Control and Information Protocol, CIP is a basis for all DeviceNet and Ethernet IP communications and uses Ethernet IP to provide fail-safe communication between a safety PLC and safety nodes. They can be used on the same Ethernet IP network as other devices, such as Balluff IO-Link masters and sensors. This combination of protocols enables the exchange of safety and standard control data as well as diagnostic information over a single Ethernet network. An integrated memory key enables the module to be exchanged in less than 1 minute without special tools and additional commissioning. This CIP Safety I/O module offers 12 PNP single-channel safe inputs, or 6 dual-channel safe inputs, and 4 PNP single-channel safe outputs, or 2 dual-channel safe outputs. It seamlessly integrates with Rockwell safety PLCs, and it also comes with Balluff's safety networking configuration tool to easily configure its use with other safety PLCs. It is fully certified and conforms to Safety Integrity Level 3 and Category 4 Performance Level E. LEDs provide quick on-site diagnostics. It can be mounted directly on the machine, like Balluff's IO-Link and standard I/O modules, to easily connect safety devices without spending the time and effort of traditional wiring terminations. Its IP67 protection rating means it can be used even where liquids, dust, or vibration may be present. Like Balluff's expansive IO-Link portfolio, the CIP safety block is easy to connect, easy to troubleshoot, and easy to maintain for machine builders and end customers alike. Software-based safety has been gaining momentum because of all the benefits that network-based software safety brings, including allowing safety and control to reside together. Balluff's CIP Safety I/O module makes it easy to bring those benefits to your machines. For more information on Balluff's networking portfolio, visit balluff.com.